Okay, so I'm filling in all the divots, the cleat pads that were here to protect the paint from people putting their feet up there. One of them broken, I was taking it off, and I've been thinking about, well, why do I need those if it's a custom golf cart? You shouldn't be putting your feet on it anyway. So I filled up the holes with some glazing compound, and got some 220 here. So this is difficult talking with this respirator on, so I'm just gonna show you one or two little spots, then call that a video. Everything's coming off at one time. Okay, so you saw how easy it was to cut that down. The glazing compound is kind of like a super thick primer. So what I was doing is, I don't want to keep going in the same direction all the time. I'll go this way and I'll go that way with my block, that way and this way, and just keep changing directions, because what you don't want to do is you want to cut in too deep. And then see, we have a little divot right here where it has some damage, so I'll take some more glazing compound here, and don't blob it up, just put just enough on there to fill the hole. And sometimes it may shrink a little bit, so you may have to come back. You may have to come back and put a little bit more on there and let it dry and do it again. Now I'm not going to put any here because I'm going to fill those with Bondo. I got a couple of small divots over here. But again, I'm filling all that with Bondo, and we're just going to have more shiny fender. So just kind of take notes on that, and got to let this stuff dry at least about 45 minutes. And then you can start hitting it with your sanding block. If you do like this when you're sanding, pretty much you're not going to get as good of a job as if you use a sanding block, because each one of these is cutting a trough, however so small, but it make your paint job look. And even though you're doing a rattle can paint job like I'm doing here, you know, your prep work is everything. You do good prep work, and then you do good spray work, then it'll come out okay. You're never going to get a professional job with a rattle can, but and I do have the equipment to spray it, but I'm just going to rattle can this to see what I can get. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Club car, golf cart, DS.